Good morning, student. I am your math teacher, Pravinder Kumar. Discuss about second exercise, compound interest without using formula. The yesterday we have started second B exercise, and now first two questions we have discussed yesterday. And third question is the sum of money is lent at 8% per annum compound interest if the interest for second years is exceeded that for the first year by 96 find out the sum of money. तो यहाँ से क्वेश्चन से हमारे लिए क्लियर हो रहा है कि हमें बस क्या निकालना है, सम ऑफ मनी निकालना है क्या, और बट वी हैव गिवन हमें 8% क्या दिया हुआ है, दैट इज द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट दिया है, टाइम पीरियड हमारे पास 2 ईयर्स है. अब हमारे पास यहाँ से क्लियर हो रहा है कि जो डिफरेंस है, इंटरेस्ट का डिफरेंस है फर्स्ट और सेकंड ईयर के बीच का डिफरेंस है, दैट इक्वल टू 96 रुपीज का. इसलिए हमने सपोज करना पड़ा दैट लेट सम पी इक्वल टू एक्स रुपये, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट 8% पर एनम, इंटरेस्ट फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर दैट इज I1 इक्वल टू पी आर टी ओवर 100 एक्स मल्टीप्लाई 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1 ओवर 100 दैट इज 2x ओवर 25. 2x over 25. Amount at the end of the first year, that is A1 equal to P plus I1 equal to X into 2x over 25. This one we have, and that is a sum, principal and interest, that equal to 25x plus 2x equal to 27 over 25. Amount at the end of this is the amount at the end of the first year equal to 27 over 25x. Next what we have, for second years, P2 equal to principal for second year, P2 equal to A1, that is the amount at the end of the first year, that is a 27x over 25. We have calculated the interest for a second year. P2 multiply R into T, P2 equal to 27 over 27x over 25, 8 multiply 1 over 100, that is 25 4 100 and 4 2 8, this is 54x over 625. अब हमारे पास है अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन द I2 इक्वल टू I1 प्लस 96, दैट इज 54x over 625 and 2x over 25 plus 96. 54x over 625 minus 2x over 25 equal to 96. That is equal to LCM is 625. LCM is 620. This is 54 minus 50 equal to 96, and 4x equal to 625 equal to 96. अब हमारे पास है क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई बाई, वी हैव क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 96 में 625 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4x इक्वल टू सॉरी, और x इक्वल टू 96 मल्टीप्लाई 625 ओवर 4, दैट इज 24. 4 बन जा 4 एंड 24 4 that is 96, and 4 multiplied 625 that is a 15,000. That is the principal. Therefore principal equal to, multiply किया हमने 625 multiplied 24, that is a principal equal to 15,000. आगे हमारे पास है क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वी हैव क्वेश्चंस. ए मैन बोरोज 6,000 at 5% compound interest per annum if he pay 12%, 1,200 rupees at the end of the each years. Find the amount of outstanding loan at the beginning of third years. What we have question, a man borrows 600, एक आदमी जो है 600 उधार ले रहा है किसी से at a 5% per annum compound interest के हिसाब से. Every year he returns to 1,200. अब क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज द सम एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ थर्ड ईयर्स, बिगिनिंग के थर्ड में ईयर. तो हमारे पास क्या प्रिंसिपल वी हैव गिवन 6,000, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट हमारे पास ऑलरेडी गिवन दैट इज 5%, एंड फॉर इंटरेस्ट फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर PRT ओवर 100 दैट इज 6,000 मल्टीप्लाई 5 मल्टीप्लाई 1 ओवर 100, दिस यू कैंसिल, दैट इज 300 रुपीज. Amount end of the first year, that is a P into I1, that is 6,000 plus 3, that is 6,300. Outstanding amount at the end of the first year, that is A1 equal to 6,300 minus 1,200, that is क्योंकि here we have outstanding amount, he paid, amount paid जो है हमारे पास every year he paid, how much amount पेड कर रहा है, दैट इक्वल टू 1,200 ईच ईयर. ये हर साल जो है 1,200 जो है दे रहा है उसको, दिस अमाउंट इज पेड। तो दिस आउटस्टैंडिंग, क्योंकि लास्ट में उसको कितना है कि 1200 वापस 1200 जो उसने रिटर्न कर दिया। हाउ मच आउटस्टैंडिंग अमाउंट, दैट इज टोटल अमाउंट हमारे पास है 6300 माइनस दिस वन 1200, दैट इज 5100 रुपीज, दिस वन वी है। फॉर सेकेंड ईयर P2 इक्वल टू A1 इक्वल टू 5100. Interest at the end of the second year I2 equal to P2 into R into T over 100, that is 5100 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1, that is 5100. This will cancel and this one we have 255. Amount at the end of the second year, that is A2 P2 plus I2, that is 5100 plus 255, that is 53,355. Outstanding amount end of the second year, that is 5,355 minus 1,200, or this is 4,155. The sum at the beginning of the third year, that is 4,155 rupees. This sum we have find out. Next, what we have, a man borrows 5,000 at 12% compound interest payable every 6 months and pay 1,800 a man borrows 5,000 at 12% compound interest payable every 6 months. He pay 1,800 at the end of every 6 months. Calculate the third payment he has to make at the end of the month in order to clear entire debit. What is the given sum? That is a 5,000. Rate of interest 12% per years. And half yearly क्या होगा 6%. We have divided this in half yearly, that is 6% per half years. Interest per first half year P into R1 into T over, क्योंकि half year लिया half years, यहाँ half year का concept है, तो रेट का हाफ हो जाएगा 12% पर एनम है, तो ये 6 बन जाएगा, और फर्स्ट हाफ ईयर दैट इज 6 मंथ का फर्स्ट हाफ ईयर बनेगा, दैट इक्वल टू 5,000 मल्टीप्लाई 6 मल्टीप्लाई 1 ओवर दिस वन कैंसल, दैट इज 300. अब है हमारे पास अमाउंट एट एंड ऑफ द फर्स्ट ईयर, दैट इज फर्स्ट हाफ ईयर, दैट इज A1 इक्वल टू P1 into I, that is 5,000 plus 300, that is 5,300. Amount paid, that is 1,800. Outstanding amount at the end of the first half year, that is 5,300 minus 1,800, that is 3,500. This one we have 3,500. This is outstanding amount at the end of the first year. This is a principal for the second year. That is a principal P2 equal to A1 equal to 3,500. Amount interest for the second half year, that is a P2 into R2 into T, that equal to interest हमारे पास 12% पर एनम है, तो इसका हाफ ईयर होगा 6%. 12 की जगह भी यहाँ भी 6 आएगा. 3,500 मल्टीप्लाई 6 मल्टीप्लाई 1 over 100. दिस इज कैंसल एंड 210 rupees. Amount at the end of the second year, that is A2 equal to 3,500 plus 210, that is 3,710 rupees. अब इसके बाद हमारे पास आउटस्टैंडिंग अमाउंट, आउटस्टैंडिंग क्योंकि ही पे एवरी 6 मंथ 1,800, that is 3,710 minus 1,800, that is 1,910 rupees. P3 equal to A2 equal to 1,910 और I3 equal to 1,910 multiply 6 multiply 1 over this one cancel, that equal to B multiply this one, that equal to 11,460 divided by 100. This is 114.6. Therefore, amount end of the third half years, that is A3 equal to P3 plus I3, 1,910 plus 114.6. This is 2,024.60. Next question we have, this one we have, on a certain sum of money, the difference between the compound interest for a years payable half yearly and simple interest a year is, the difference between compound interest payable half yearly and the simple interest difference equal to 180 rupees. Sorry. Find the sum lent out if the rate of interest in both cases is 10% per annum. Solution: let the sum of money be P equal to X rupee, rate of interest equal to 10%, 5 into 5%, that is a half, that is 10% है तो 10 का half होगा 5% per years, per half year. This one, and interest for first half year, that is P into R into T over 100. X हमने suppose किया, let the lent money that equal to X rupees, that is principal equal to X multiplied 5 over 100, that equal to X over 20. Amount end of the first half year equal to A1 equal to P1 plus I1 equal to X plus X over 20. This one we have 20X plus X equal to 21X over 20. For second half year, this is 20x over 20 is the amount at the end of the first half year. For the second year, that is P2 equal to amount at the end of the first half year, that is amount equal to 21x over 21. This is a rupees. आगे हमारे पास है, अब हमारे हमने इंटरेस्ट निकालना है. इंटरेस्ट फॉर सेकेंड हाफ ईयर, दैट इज P2 इंटू R इंटू T ओवर 100, दैट इज 21x ओवर 100 इंटू रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इक्वल टू 5% पर हाफ ईयर, दैट इज 5 ओवर 100 मल्टीप्लाई 1, दैट इक्वल टू 5 1s are 5, 5 20s are 100, and that is 21x over 400. Our amount end of the second half year equal to A2 equal to P2 plus I2. A2 equal to 21x over 20 plus 21x over 400. Take LCM. LCM लिया तो हमारे पास के this is a interest we have and this is a sum of money. अब हमारे पास 400 LCM आ गया, that equal to how much? And that is a 24 is a 20, 20 is a 20 multiplied by 20, and that equal to 400. This is LCM, this is 20 multiplied 21, that is 410 x plus 21, that is 441 over 400 into x. Our compound interest at the end of the second half year, that is original amount compound interest minus this is a minus compound amount at the end of the second half year minus original principal, that is ये compound interest को निकालना है हमने पहले ही पढ़ा हुआ compound interest कैसे निकालते हैं. amount at the end of the years, end of the जितने year की बात करेंगे, end of the last years, end of last year, that is minus original principal, that is a 441x over 400 minus x equal to 441x over this is this one we have 400. We take LCM, 400 is LCM, this is 400 divided by 400, that equal to 400, that is 1, and 1 multiplied 441, that is 441, that equal to, or here we have 400x, 1 say 400 multiply x, that equal to, and subtract this with 41x over 400. अब हमारे पास सिंपल इंटरेस्ट की बात आ रही है. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट पार्टी, दैट इज सिंपल इंटरेस्ट P इंटू R इंटू T, and here we have half yearly interest x into 5 multiplied time equal to 2 half year, that is a 10 half yearly, that is a rate of interest half yearly 5%, and time equal to 1 year, that is a 2 half years, that equal to cancel, that is x upon this one we have cancel, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, this one x over 10. अब हमारे पास इंटरेस्ट सिंपल इंटरेस्ट x over 10 आ गया. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन compound interest and simple interest equal to 180, CI minus SI equal to 41x over 400 minus x upon 10 equal to 180. Now take LCM, that is a 400 LCM, 400 ones are 400, that is a 41x minus this one minus 10 40 40x, that equal to 180. Or 41 minus 40, that is x over 400 equal to 180, or cross multiply x equal to 180 multiplied by 400, that is a 72,000. That's all.